Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to bypass forgotten screen lock on the Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. If you have forgotten your password, then unfortunately there is not much you can do. There is something that you can do, but it involves pretty much removing everything on your device. So if you didn't set up the fingerprint sensor nor the face data in order to be able to unlock your device any other way than the pin code, password, or pattern, then you are forced to perform the hard reset by using the recovery mode. So if you decide to do that, then what you need to do is first of all power off your device. So you want to press the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu, and then scroll up, of course, to power off your smartphone. Now after that, you want to press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. You want to press and hold both of these buttons, and once you see the logo on the screen, you want to release the power button but keep holding the volume up button. So now release the power button, keep holding volume up, and soon we should see the recovery menu. There we go. We have the recovery menu, and over here we need to choose wipe data. So you want to press volume down in order to go down in the menu, and then you confirm the selected option by pressing the power button. And after that, go down once again and choose wipe all data and confirm once again by pressing the power button. And of course, you will need to go through the first setup once again, the initial configuration, and everything will be removed from your device. However, you will get back the access to your device. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.